Is it possible to have two contrasting traits and not feel confused about it? I was talking to a close friend the other day. We were remembering how innocent we were as kids. We didn't know anything about the world. We were just happy, clueless, laughing at stupid things, and our friendships were so pure. And it brought back this memory I used to hate. People always called me innocent or childlike, even when I was 20. And honestly, it pissed me off because being called innocent didn't feel like a compliment. It felt like people won't take you seriously. Like being playful somehow meant I wasn't mature. For years, I believed that. I thought I had to act serious all the time to prove I'm mature. But here's what I know now. A guy can be mature and playful at the same time. Being someone who smiles, jokes, laughs easily doesn't mean you don't understand how the world works. Only a few people saw the real maturity in me back then. But that's fine. I see it now and I'm done feeling guilty for having different sides to me. You're allowed to have contrasting traits. You can be soft and strong, calm and chaotic, childlike and wise. None of those cancel each other out. So here's my question for you. What are the contrasting traits you have? Think about it. I'm sure you got a few. Drop them in the comments.